Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're like me, you love some ripe fried plantain. Come along with me and let me show you how I get mine done. So first thing, you want to make sure your plantain is extremely ripe. Then you're going to go in, remove the skin, and just slice your plantain. You can slice it however way you want to slice it. I like mine sliced this way. Next, you want to go ahead and make sure you have your oil prepped and ready. I'm now testing my oil to see if it's hot, and it feels like it's ready to go. So you're going to drop your plantains in and you're going to fry this on medium to high heat until golden brown. And you want to make sure they're golden brown on both sides. Remove them from the pot and place them on some paper towel just to drain the excess oil. And there you have it, guys. Your delicious fried ripe plantains. This can be served up with any dish. I implore you to give it a try, and trust me, you won't regret it. Drop a comment, hit that like button, share out this video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next one.